Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Once again we have got a fascinating topic of CSS Selector. If you are a web designer and wants to style all the elements that come after a specific element on your web page, no matter how close or far away they are. In this case, we think of General Sibling Combinator. Let's see what is the General Sibling Combinator. Imagine you have a bunch of kids playing in a room. The General Sibling Combinator is like picking out all the kids who are brothers and sisters of a specific child, regardless of their exact position in the room. In CSS, Sibling Combinator works similarly. It lets you select elements that share the same parent element and come after another specific element. Now let's see how to use the General Sibling Combinator with the help of a few examples. The General Sibling Combinator is written with a tilde symbol. Here's the basic format. Let me explain. To use the General Sibling Combinator, you need two selectors. The first selector specifies the element that comes before the siblings you want to style. The second selector is the element you actually want to style all its siblings after first element. Let's move to practical examples. Suppose you have a series of paragraphs, and you want to change the font color of all paragraphs that come after the first one. We select all P elements that are siblings of the first paragraph and gives them a different font color. Move to next example. In this example, let's say you have a navigation menu, and you want to highlight the links that come after the one currently being hovered over. When a user hovers over a link in the navigation menu, this CSS code will apply a background color to all subsequent links, creating a visual indication of their relationship. Now, imagine you have a form with input fields, and you want to style input labels differently when the associated input is focused. We select all label elements that are siblings of a focused input and changes their text color, making it easy to provide user feedback. In this example, let's work with a table and style its odd rows differently to improve readability. Using the General Sibling Combinator with the nthchild pseudoclass, you can select all rows that are siblings of odd rows and apply a distinct background color. Finally, let's build an accordion-style menu where clicking on a title expands or collapses the content below it. When some hover the mouse over the title, it targets accordion content elements that are siblings of a hovered accordion title, making it perfect for interactive menus. Like the video. Subscribe our channel, comment the video. Goodbye, keep happy coding.